Hi guys, yan, speechless. Ayun, this is Happy Human and this is Fire Queen. Isang pagsaludo sa ikatlong taon ng Lucky Star Crib. Mga utol, sana ipagpatuloy nyo yung naumpisahan natin. Proud kami. 3 years and counting. My prayers, our prayers pala sa patuloy na pagtatag ng grupong isinatag. Ayun, so, ikaw lang sige. Ayun. Shout out kay Moto Next Crime, salut sa'yo. Captain Joyski, Ming, sa ibang admins dyan. God bless you. Sana, yun, jam-jam minsan. Ano? Matiin mo naman sila.
Happy 3rd anniversary, guys!
Yan, love namin kayo. Bye!
Bye!
Good day, Lucky Star Crib. Happy 3rd year anniversary sa atin. It's been a long time. And 3 years na pala tayo. More power and salute sa mga Lucky Star Crib dyan. See you when I see you. Happy 3rd year anniversary. Spread love through music.
Hey, happy anniversary, Lucky Star Crib. Today we celebrate the love, laughter, and memories we've shared in this home, away from home, from late night jam sessions to crazy adventures. Lucky Star Crib has been more than just a place. It's a family. Here's to many more years of music, camaraderie, and making unforgettable moments. Cheers to Lucky Star Crib and its amazing members. Your Lucky Star Crib. Rock on.
What's up? What's up, Lucky Star Crib? Happy 3rd year anniversary, Lucky Star Crib. Wish you all the best. Nawa marami pa kayong matulungan. God bless to all, especially to the founder, Captain Joyski, and to all admins and members. God bless to all. Happy 3rd year anniversary, Lucky Star Crib. Let's do this. God bless to all. God bless.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is Icon Sweet Queen of Music Icons and of course SMSI. So thank you for this opportunity that was given to me to give a little short message to all of you. First and foremost, I would like to say hi and congratulations, of course, to the founder and creator of the Lucky Star Crib, none other than Captain Joyski. CC, I miss you. It's been a while. And of course, to the admins and members of the Lucky Star Crib, mabuhay po kayong lahat. And I am here, of course, to congratulate and greet all of you a happy 3rd year anniversary. So I remember last year, SMSI has been part of your milestone and still until now. So hindi niyo pa din kami nakakalimutan. And of course, you know that CC Captain Joyski, our love for you ay hindi magbabago at sa inyo pong lahat. So more power. Alam po marami kayong ginagawa sa inyong grupo at tumutulong sa ating community, at yan naman talaga ang namimiss ko sa Lucky Star Crib kasi hindi pwedeng hindi ko balikan lagi yung mga videos pag nakikita ko na talagang marami kayong natulungan at nabigyan ng pag-asa, not just through music but you guys give them hope no, para sa kanilang buhay at tinulungan nyo rin sila pangkabuhayan na at pangkalusugan. So I'm looking forward for another video for tonight. So I know yung 1 year, marami pa kayong natulungan this year at sa mga susunod. So more power, the Rakistas Crib. So Sisi Cap Choiski, you know that you're my idol. So yan, well done Sisi, I'm always proud of you and I love you. Alam mo yan. So hindi man tayo laging nag-uusap, but you know in my heart, your face and your name will forever be engraved in my heart. Ayan. At sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayong lahat hanggang gusto natin at tumagal pa ang Rakistas Crib, no? Hanggang may Star Maker at kahit hindi lang dito sa Star Maker kasi hindi lang pang Star Maker ang Rakistas Crib, no? Pang buong Pilipinas ay malay natin worldwide magkaroon din kayo ng mga events and outreach program. So from me, Sweet Queen, and from my dad, Captain Wally, and from the whole SMSI group. So we would like to greet you again. Happy 3rd year anniversary. More power, and let's keep on supporting each other. We are one here in Star Maker. God bless you all, and to God be the glory. Thank you po.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa mga Rakista Crib. Guys, I would like to extend my congratulations on behalf of SMSI Group and SMSI Music Academy. I'd like to greet Rakista Crib for your 3rd year anniversary, especially to the beautiful and very hardworking Captain Joyce G. Mga co-captain, ex-prime, kumanta nitong team song. Good luck, good health, God bless us always. Good luck and enjoy your anniversary.
Magsama-sama ang ating pag-asa. Ito ating layunin, hindi na natin babaguhin.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Guys, ako po si Captain Marie ng Coffee Shake Family at isa po akong naimbitahan ninyo yung nakaraang buwan na nakijamming. Maraming salamat din po sa founder at co-founder na bumubuo ng Rakista Crib. Kung wala kayo, siguro hindi naragdagan yung friendship ko o yung mga friends ko. Sana po mas lalo pa po ninyong pagtibayin at mas lalo pa pong mas marami pa pong taon na inyong abutin. In God's grace po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Happy 3rd anniversary. Nagpapasalamat din ako kay Tams at saka sa asawa niya po. Kung hindi sa iyo, Tams, hindi kami kumbaga hindi tayo nagkakilala. Hindi tayo nagsishare ng mga kantahang grabe, ang gagaling-galing ninyo talagang kumanta. Wala akong maisabi. I am proud of you guys. Rakista Crib, happy 3rd anniversary. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Hello, Rakista Crib! Happy 3rd year anniversary! Pati Joyski, 3 taon na! 3 taon na mula nang binuo mo yung grupo, and I know na may mabuti kang plano at mabuting puso sa grupong ito. So I wish you all the best, more blessings and good health para mas marami kayong ma-inspire and matulungan. Alam ko yung goal mo at ng grupo because I was one of the pioneer admin in sa Rakista Crib, and even though wala na ako sa grupo, you know Pate that I will always be here. Aruga will always be there to support you and the group. So again, congratulations sa lahat ng admin, co-founders, members ng Rakista Crib. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mag-enjoy kayo dahil araw nyo to. Ayan. So again, congratulations, happy 3rd year anniversary, and special thanks to Utol Kamahome and Utol Dash na hindi ako tinitigilang mag-chat para lang i-update ako sa mga activity ng Orchestra Crib na gusto nila akong ma-involve. Ayan, maraming salamat. Pasensya na, naging busy lang ako, pero nandito lang ako, mga utol. So, thank you and keep updating me. Ganun. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary.